Here I have Samsung Galaxy S10e, and let me show you how to activate Do Not Disturb mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the upper bar, just slide twice to open it fully. Now select Do Not Disturb mode icon, which is here, and if you will click, it will automatically activate it. If you would like to switch it off, just tap on the same icon one more time. But you can also personalize it, you can schedule DND mode, so just click on DND and hold it for about 3 seconds. And now you can obviously turn it on now, or you can turn on as scheduled. So if you would like to activate this option, just click here, now tap here, turn on as scheduled, and you can select the days on which DND mode will be automatically activated. So let me pick, for example, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. So let me unclick Saturday and Sunday, and now select the hours, so tap on set schedule, and now let's pick start time, start hour, so it will be, for example, 11, and then the end hour, it will be 6, then tap on done. So on every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday between 11 and 6, DND mode will be automatically activated. If you'd like to switch off this option, just tap on the same switcher as in the beginning. You can also add some exceptions, so just tap on allow exceptions over here, and now you can select if you want to have alarms active once your DND mode is on. If you would like to hear media sounds once it's active, you can select the options that you want to have. You can also allow calls from somebody, so let me pick calls from, and now you can either pick from all contacts, from all numbers, and also from favorite contacts only. So I will pick the favorite contacts only, and also you can allow messages from somebody, so there are just the same options, so it can be from all numbers, from contacts only, from favorite contacts only, or from none of them. Let me pick from contacts only. You can also activate the repeat callers options, so it will allow calls when they are received from the same phone number more than once within a 15 minutes period of time. So if you want to activate it, just tap on this switcher. You can also add some event and task alerts and reminders. It's all up to you. You can personalize it as you want to. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.